To replace your broken screen on your iPhone, you'll need the damaged phone, replacement glass and digitizer pack, a plastic stick, a suction cup, super glue, size 00 Phillips head screwdriver, and tape. First, unscrew the 2 screws on the bottom of your phone. Then, to make sure you have a solid surface to grip, place a strip of packing tape to the top of your cracked screen. This will make the glass easier to lift with the suction cup. Secure the suction cup to the surface of the phone and gently lift it up, exposing the inside of the phone. Be careful not to pull the cables at the top of the phone, but once the phone is open, use your plastic stick to disconnect the connections marked 1 and 2. Under connection 2 is a small flap marked 3. Lift the black clamp to release the number 3 connection. Once the clamp is lifted, the screen will be free from the rest of the iPhone. Set the base of the phone to the side. We will just be working with the screen for now. There are 6 screws located around the edge of the screen. Carefully remove these. Next, you need to separate the LCD screen from the glass. Stick either a flathead screwdriver or plastic stick in between the rails and wedge the inner piece out. The LCD will slide towards the home button. Don't be afraid to apply a little pressure as the metal frame is difficult to deform. This will detach the screen from the broken glass. Next, you'll have to clean out the damaged glass from the frame. Using a hairdryer to soften the adhesive, carefully scrape away stuck pieces of glass and leftover residue. You may have to repeat this process several times until you have a clean glass frame. Once you've completed this, make sure your frame is completely clean. Now, take your new screen and peel off the plastic lining the inside. Apply small dabs of super glue along the surface of the frame, being careful not to over-apply in any areas, as well as not to let any of the glue sit for too long. Line this up with the glass, making sure the wiring goes underneath, and secure the pieces together. Be sure to pull off the plastic from the inside of the phone. Now we're going to reattach the LCD display. Slide it back into the frame, making sure it's facing the right direction. Replace all 6 screws around the edge. Next, replace the connections between the screen and the base of the phone. First, slide connection 3 into its slot and secure the clamp. Then carefully snap in connections 2 and 1 on top of this. Snap the screen back into place. Replace the 2 screws on the bottom, and you have yourself a brand new iPhone screen.